Ayun na. Okay, so before we start our discussion, tulungan ko. Ayun lang. I'm requesting everyone to utilize this space. Let's press na lang.
Okay, Daddy.
Sige na.
Ano naman?
Sige na lang. Yun, so to start with, muna yung introduction sa mga part. Which is related fitness test. So assessment, please everyone basa. Okay, so we do have here cardiovascular endurance and muscular endurance, flexibility and body composition. Pero sa kuha part, I will only be discussing two technique, cardiovascular and muscular. So to start with, we have this HRM test, cardiovascular and muscular endurance. So aerobic capacity, also known as endurance. So again, please read everyone.
Aerobic capacity is the ability of heart and lungs and blood vessels to supply oxygen and nutrients to the working muscles, especially in order to sustain prolonged rhythmical exercises. The ability to deliver and utilize oxygen is an indicator of a healthy heart. Research shows that individuals who can use large amounts of oxygen during optimal exercise have strong hearts, normal blood pressure, and decreased risk for heart disease and diabetes. Activity tests, for example, activity is running.
Yun. So to simply say, aerobic capacity, also known as cardiovascular endurance, simply refers to our lungs and heart pumping together. This is we call this aerobic capacity. The way I define it is like your body's ability to use oxygen in order to generate energy for your body during what? During a prolonged period of activity. Whether it is from moderate to high intensity exercises. Yes, yo? Good. Good children. One of its examples is running. So kay waman ta kaila what is running. That is why hello is GM. Hello is GM. He voluntarily submitted himself kanina. Ano siya said, ako'y mo demonstrate sa running. That is why guys, big way. So that's why demonstrate to JM what is running. From here to there, it's balik ko siya dire. On my cue. Ready? Guys, naman ta sa PE. Naman ta sa PE, so this is normal. Ready, get set, go! So kung ganiya, it is about our body's capacity to provide our body's capacity to provide oxygen or energy. Karon, muscles na po siya. Hindi na po siya about oxygen. Diba? Hindi po siya about oxygen. It is about po sa atong muscle, the way we provide energy para mag-last na long, whether be it in an exercise, sa moderate or sa intensity or high intensify nga activities. Sabutable ba siya?
Yes.
Sure mo?
Yes.
So example is abdominal curl-ups and push-ups. So sa push-ups, ano sa ganyan ganyan siya daw ang mo demonstrate. Wala ka guys.
Ay, Fernando Cadena.